Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I actually did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line down here is coming from, which looks pretty goofy right now given that that actually had relevance yesterday's video. So that just really shows how powerful of a move it was today. So obviously, yeah, today was a very powerful move, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in a very long time. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this line for near term levels of support. Sure, that level still applies to the chart, but it's totally not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing, clutter and confusion. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right there at $1.07. If that can continue to hold, continue being used very deliberately, because you can see not once, but twice, including the final 30 minutes right there. The bears did try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So if that can continue to happen, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, not saying that's the end of the world or anything like that, but yeah, staying above there would be a great sign of power on the bulls' part for sure. Next level of support after that, down here at, what was that level? Let's see, 90 cents. So $1.07, 90 cents, two near term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, that is where the famous 50 period simple moving average comes into play, which is that purple line right there. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. And as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. No questions asked. Again, sure, it'd be great if the price could hold up above $1.10 or 90 cents, but at the end of the day, from the broad scope of things perspective, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the trend is fully in the bulls' favor. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level right now, right up there at the $1.47 range, if you want to just call it $1.50 to make it easy. But right up there is where the party stopped today, so that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, very nice past couple of days. And as long as the price starts building higher bases, then from a long-term perspective, the uptrend is only going to get stronger. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.